Alright, listen up. Today, we're not sugarcoating anything. No fluff, no fairy tales, just straight up truths about wealth that will punch you in the face harder than life ever has. This is about the grind, the hustle, and the blood, sweat, and tears that the wealthy know all too well. This is real talk, not Instagram success stories. Let's get into the 10 rules of the wealthy you must know. Let's get this straight. You can't Netflix and chill your way to success. Every hour spent binging shows or mindlessly scrolling through social media is an hour you could have invested in your future. Wealthy people know that time is like sand slipping through your fingers. Once it's gone, you can never get it back. They understand the value of every single second. Every second wasted is money unmade. Time is the most precious resource you have, and it's constantly running out. So, what are you doing scrolling on TikTok at 2 a.m.? Those late-night hours could be used for something far more productive. If you're not using your time to learn, build, or grow, then you're just donating it to the void. Imagine what you could achieve if you dedicated those hours to self-improvement. Because time doesn't wait for anyone, but poverty? Oh, it's patient as hell. It will wait for you to waste your time and then take advantage of your inaction. It'll happily sit on your couch, eat your snacks, and watch you waste another year. Don't let it. You think billionaires got where they are by binge-watching reality TV? Think again. They were burning the midnight oil, working on their dreams. They were too busy building empires while everyone else was hitting the snooze button. Learn a new skill, read a book, or start a project that excites you. Build something, anything that moves you closer to your goals. Every small step counts, because once it's gone, it's gone. Make every moment count. Here's the deal. Broke people hang out with other broke people. They share the same mindset, the same habits, and the same limitations. It's a cycle that keeps them stuck. It's like a poverty pyramid scheme. Everyone's pulling each other down and no one is getting ahead. It's a trap that's hard to escape. You ever notice how crabs in a bucket pull each other down? Same thing. They don't want to see anyone else succeed if they can't. You surround yourself with negativity, with lack of ambition.
Guess what?
That's your life now. You absorb that energy, and it becomes your reality. I'm not saying drop your friends, but maybe upgrade them. Seek out those who inspire you, who challenge you to be better. Look, your network is your net worth. The connections you make can open doors you never even knew existed. The people you surround yourself with, they shape your thinking, your actions, your entire reality. They influence your decisions and your path in life. You think billionaires got to the top by hanging out with people who were content with mediocrity? Hell no! They sought out other visionaries, other go-getters. They were rubbing shoulders with other ambitious, driven individuals, feeding off each other's energy, pushing each other to do more, be more. They created a powerful synergy. This isn't about being a social climber, it's about being strategic. Choose your company wisely. Surround yourself with those who lift you higher. Let's kill this myth right now. Nobody, and I mean nobody, gets wealthy without working their ass off. The grind isn't pretty. It's sleepless nights, sacrificing weekends, and missing out on parties while everyone else is popping bottles. You want the reward? Pay the price. Because if you don't grind for your dreams, you'll be grinding for someone else's. And that's facts. You think building a business is easy? Think again. It's blood, sweat, and tears, sometimes for years, before you see any real success. But you know what? It's worth it. The world is waiting for what you have to offer. Wealth doesn't live in your comfort zone. It's not found in the places where you feel safe and secure. It's out there in the wilderness where fear, risk, and growth hang out. It's in the places that challenge you, that push you to your limits. Wealthy people embrace the awkward, the scary, and the downright uncomfortable because they know that's where the magic happens. They understand that growth and success are born from discomfort. It's not cute, but neither is being broke. Pick your struggle. The discomfort of growth is temporary, but the pain of regret lasts forever. You think asking for that raise was easy? It took courage, it took stepping out of your comfort zone, or pitching that crazy business idea. It required facing your fears head on. Of course not. It's terrifying putting yourself out there, risking rejection, risking failure. But that's where true growth happens. But you know what's even scarier? Staying in the same place, never knowing what you're truly capable of. Waking up years from now, filled with regret, wondering what could have been if you had just been a little braver, if you had just taken that leap. So get comfortable being uncomfortable. Embrace the unknown, the challenges, the fears, Because on the other side of that fear lies the life you've always dreamed of, the life that's waiting for you, the life of abundance, of impact, of true fulfillment. It's all there, just beyond your comfort zone. Money loves discipline and logic, not panic and impulse. Wealthy people don't throw tantrums when the stock market dips. They buy more. They don't blow their paycheck on a shiny new toy. They invest it. Stop letting your emotions drive your financial decisions. Cry later, invest now. Wealthy people, they understand that money is a game of logic, of strategy, of discipline. They don't let their emotions cloud their judgment. They don't panic sell when the market dips. They see it as a buying opportunity. They don't chase the latest shiny object. They focus on long-term growth and stability. Be the master of your financial destiny. If it doesn't make you money, it's a liability. Period. That fancy car? Liability. The latest gadget? Liability. Assets, on the other hand, are like little money soldiers working for you 24/7. Real estate, stocks, businesses, that's where the wealthy put their cash. Do you want to look rich or be rich? Choose wisely. Wealthy people, they understand the difference between an asset and a liability. They invest in things that generate income, that appreciate in value over time. Your future self will thank you for it. If you don't understand how money works, it will always work against you. Wealthy people speak the language. They know about taxes, investments, and financial systems. If you're financially illiterate, you're playing the game blindfolded. Financial literacy is not a luxury, it's a necessity. It's the difference between building wealth and being trapped in a cycle of debt and financial struggle. Wealthy people, they're not just lucky, they're educated. They understand how money works, how to make it work for them. They know about investing, about taxes, about building a solid financial future. So stop making excuses and start educating yourself. Your financial future depends on it. Failure isn't the opposite of success, it's part of the process. The wealthy, they've failed more times than you've tried. But they learn, adapt, and come back stronger. Don't fear failure, fear staying in the same place. Fall 7 times, get up 8, or stay on the ground and make it a picnic. Your choice. Wealthy people, they understand that failure is not the end, it's just a detour on the road to success. They embrace failure, they learn from it, they adapt, and they come back stronger, because the only way to truly fail is to let fear hold you back from living your dreams. The grind doesn't stop just because you've made it. Wealthy people keep pushing, keep innovating, and keep learning. The second you get cocky, life has a way of humbling you. The universe has jokes. Don't be the punchline. Wealthy people, they understand that success is not a destination, it's a journey. They stay hungry, they stay humble, they never stop learning and growing. They know that the moment they start believing their own hype, the moment they stop pushing themselves, that's the moment they start sliding backwards. So stay hungry, my friend. Stay ahead of the game. The wealthy aren't just thinking about themselves, they're thinking about the next generation. It's not about flaunting wealth, it's about building something that lasts. What's your legacy going to be? Luxury fades, but legacy? That's forever. True wealth, lasting wealth, it's about so much more than material possessions. It's about building a legacy, something that will outlive you, something that will make a real difference in the world. Wealthy people, they understand this. They're not just accumulating wealth for themselves, they're building businesses that create jobs, they're investing in their communities, they're leaving a positive impact on the world. So ask yourself, what kind of legacy do you want to leave behind? Because at the end of the day, it's not about how much money you made, it's about the difference you made. There you have it, 10 rules that the wealthy live by. This isn't just a checklist, it's a lifestyle, so stop dreaming and start doing. The grind is calling, and it's not leaving a voicemail. Your move.